After trying this recipe, I'm only cooking pasta this way. Let's start by cutting 500 grams of chicken breasts into small strips. Then cut them again in larger bites. In a baking pan, add 300 grams of pasta. You can choose your favorite type. Spread them on the bottom and add the chicken on top. Add as well 1 large-sized chopped tomato and put the pan aside. In a bowl, add 400 grams of cream cheese, 300 grams of tomato sauce, and 150 ml of water. Stir well. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on sharing our recipes. We'd love to know. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and keep stirring. You guys, this recipe is delicious and easy to prepare. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Add this sauce on top of the chicken. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then share the video with your friends and comment below, "I love pasta." Using a spatula, mix everything to let the sauce soak in. Finally, sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top. And put the baking pan in the oven, preheated at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. And our recipe is ready! Quick to prepare, it's perfect for lunch or dinner, and it's a family favorite. I hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!